not eat me, I'm a cookie. No! Wait a minute. How do you even eat me?
Tapos ngayon niyayaya ka niya mag-bar.
Agata biratan. Yes, you can eat me now. Why is the mafia cookies here? Put the money in the bag. Please don't shoot him. My beautiful head. What's happening here? Call the cops. I'm the cop here. Who's the suspect? Oh no, I gotta run. Get back here. Where am I? She's a monster. I'll get here. Get back here. Why did you eat me? Now you can't eat me more because I'm rotten. Now it's going to be your face.